I will show you how to organize and display your coffee mugs in the most creative ways, and it's easier than you think. First up, ditch those boring cabinets. Hang your mugs on a pegboard for a stylish cafe vibe. Plus, it's super functional. Got a collection? Show it off with a wall-mounted shelf. It's like art, but you can drink from it. Mix and match different styles and colors to add a fun twist. Or go minimalist with matching sets for a sleek look. Don't forget the hooks under shelves. Perfect for those extra special mugs you want easy access to. And my personal favorite, stackable mug trees. They save space and look adorable on the counter. Your coffee station will be the talk of the town. Remember, it's all about personal style and making your space feel like a cozy coffee shop. So get creative and start displaying those beauties. Happy sipping.